with this duck. I hereby open the archive.
Long Boiology is a celebration of research, education and community in the Biosciences at York, and it's been such a joy working with so many amazing people across campus to put this together, to share what we're doing here with the rest of the world.
I love the interface between art and science, and it's amazing to see under the microscope these algae and bring them out in the world. So it was fascinating, it's always fascinating for me to see these creatures that are all microscopic, big and out there. So yeah, they are beautiful.
I have run before art projects as a tool for science communication as well, and they have been very popular with students as stage 3 projects. Our research group is focused on ultra rare diseases, in particular muscle diseases, and I just thought it was a good idea to combine a very unique and rare individual, with the subject matter that we do.
Working with biology on the Long Boiology, our trail, was an absolute dream come true, and we really want to do much more projects, many more projects like this in the future. Definitely grab a map and walk around the trail, take photos. There are QR codes next to each and every of the ducks, so you can get a wonderful narrative and insight into the research behind all the individual ducks. And you need to post pictures on social media.